Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to add Google login to your Base44 app. Here's what you need to know first. Base44 supports multiple authentication methods, example email or password, Google, Microsoft, Facebook, etc. To enable authentication off, that is built in, just go to dashboard, go to settings and go to authentication. There's also single sign on, rather, that's SSO for user providers like Google in a more custom way, which needs setting up OAuth credentials in Google Cloud. So some features like fully custom SSO or removing Base44 branding during login may be limited depending on your plan. So here's what you do. Log into Base44 account and open the app where you want to enable Google login. So here's the app that I've been working on. I have not published yet. In the app editor, go ahead and click on dashboard. You have dashboard and you have preview. So click on dashboard, and from this drop down, go ahead and click on settings and click on authentication. In the authentication settings, find login methods or sign-in options, which you have here. Authentication. So these are the signing methods. Now go ahead and turn on Google authentication or toggle this Google authentication so users can choose Google to log in. So this has been toggled on already. If it's not toggled, it's going to be off. It's going to show gray. If it's toggled, it's going to turn black. Now, only if you want more control or custom branding or using SSO, that's when you can go to Google Cloud Console. All right, and go to APIs and services. Go to credentials. Now create a OAuth 2.0 client ID, type web application and add authorized redirect URL. In Google, that's in Google Cloud Console itself, or not here. So in Google, ensure you include at least OpenID and some kind of HTTPS Google App is, that's Google APIs.com /auth/user info.email as scopes, so that Base44 can get the user's email. So from Google's credential screen, can copy the client ID and the client secret. If you're using single sign-on, which you have here, okay, in Base44, can just go to settings authentication here in this window and click on setup. That's once it has been set up, and enter the Google client and client secrets, then click on save. After toggling Google login or entering credentials if needed, just click on save in Base44. Log out or use incognito, then open the app, select login with Google, follow Google login prompt, approve, and assure you get back into the app correctly. And if your app has a custom domain, ensure that the redirect URL or callback domain match what's configured in Google. If login prompts to show app.base44.com instead of your custom domain or your branding, these may be due to Google project's branding or verification. So go watch the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped your search.